I'm going to show you real quickly here how I cut threads with a geometric die head. This is an old hard-inch machine lathe, probably from about 1930 from what I understand. And this is an old beat-up geometric die head that I found on eBay. This is a titanium rod. This will be the adjusting screw for the hair tension on a violin bow. I've already turned this end down here. That's the diameter that goes into the far side of the stick mortise in the violin bow. So I'll insert this rod into the 5C collet, and then I use just a little stick with a notch cut in it to set the depth of this. That way, as I'm doing multiple runs of these screws, I can keep the length of the thread consistent from screw to screw. Now the die head is mounted to the cross slide on the lathe, just mounted in a tool holder and centered on the headstock. So that brings the four cutters into the diameter they need to be to cut the threads on there. And the way a geometric die head works, when you stop feeding the cross slide forward, the die head will release. So you know that makes it so you can cut the threads exactly to the length you want. So I'll set the cutters there, turn on the lathe, and then I just feed it in with the cross feed, and you just have to keep a little bit of pressure against it so it keeps cutting. And then I have a stop here that my cross feed is going to hit. When it hits that, cross feed stops and the die head will release. And that's it. Beautifully cut threads there. The die head, it does a really great job. Each of the four cutters there cuts a little deeper than the one preceding it. So it's, each cutter is just taking off a little bit of metal at a time. So it just cuts really beautiful threads. And that's about it.